One of the most important developments that will be out soon will be Rand Corporation's study of the asbestos truss. Rand announced the study late in 2009, and work is underway at the moment. According to Rand's announcements at different conferences, they intend to come out with draft reports sometime in March 2010. The reports will address the specifics of particular asbestos truss. Readers of any sort will be invited to comment on whether the reports are helpful, not helpful, accurate, not accurate. Rand has said they hope that the trust will review the report and comment or affirm on the accuracy. Ultimately, they expect to publish the reports as a group and provide aggregate data. At that point, hopefully, then we have a clear picture of what's really out there and what's really being done. From that, legislators or other policymakers can make their decisions about what should or should not be done. Rand's study is proceeding in two phases. The first phase is going to be a purely factual review of information about the truss, the amount of money in them, the people who are the trustees, other officials or committees related to the truss. The second phase of the study, which may or may not take place depending on funding, is to invite trusts, insurers, plaintiffs' lawyers, anyone who's interested, to submit data on the amounts that are being paid out to individual plaintiffs. The information will be anonymized in the sense of the name of John Smith, for example, will be turned into some set of numbers. So it will not be possible to identify the particular individual, but they can meaningfully report by using the same number for the same person across different data sources and find out what the aggregate payments are to John Smith, both through the tort system and through the trust system. Hopefully that portion of the study actually goes forward, and hopefully the trusts, insurers, and companies and plaintiffs' lawyers actually provide the data. Absolutely. Trust funds have been used in breast implant litigation, in Dalcon Shield litigation. They are significant tools. Outside the U.S., some companies have set up private trusts or foundations as the means to manage their litigation. These are going to be important tools, especially as the world gets even more complex. Today we have the issue of Medicare seeking to recover money out of settlement payments. That's going to add another degree of difficulty. Someday we may actually get to the point that people accept that using trust to resolve tort claims is far better than using the tort system. That was something that Fran Rabinovitz and several other people suggested back in the 70s. We haven't quite figured out yet how to get it done, but maybe we're moving closer.